everyone, how are you all? This is Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much for all your love and support. So this vlog is all about makeup products which I have been invented newly, and as well as some of them are restocking. And this vlog is going to be a little big because I'm going to explain in detail what products I have got which I have been invented newly and what I have been repeating it. So let's get into the vlog. So before going into the vlog, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do follow my Instagram page and like, share and comment. Let's go. So I have been got many products, and literally if you can see it, it's a lot of products. So these are the products which I haven't got order from Nika, as it's a Nika sale has been gone, so I haven't ordered in that. But the products which I really invented, I have ordered directly from their website, that is the Swiss Beauty Inside Global, if you can see it. And as well as some products here and there I got it from Amazon and as well as Tira. So there is a restocking products which I have got is a Pilgrim. I am a biggest fan of Pilgrim, so I will show you that also what I have repurchased this year. I mean this month in the sales love month, February month. So it's been uploading on March 1st this one, so the February will be done. So let's get into this vlog. The first brand I have ordered from the same website is Inside Global. So let me start with one of my favorite, very eye-catching product is this creamy comfort lipstick. If you can see that, it's so nice, so nice color. Let me show you the color. I'll squash this color and I'll show you. Wow, if you can see it, so much shiny, creamy and very moist, and the packaging itself is so beautiful. So this costed me around 330 rupees, but with all total I haven't got that much. I got in very less price only. So this is the shade of Tease Me Twice. The second one is a lip gloss which I really liked it, and it is also Inside Global lip gloss, and the shade is Scarlet Desire. It is also little brown maroonish type color, something into the brown skin. To the brown skin, it's so beautiful. You can literally, if you can see it, it's so nice. So let me show you that how it is. It is also little plum type, and ooh, bricky red type, like it comes maroon red and plum shade. I really love this. It's so nice. It's not sticky, it's so glossy, and this one is around the cost of 199. So you might get in offer, or you can use any coupon if you directly apply from Inside Global website. Okay, so this is the second product. Let me show you about the Colange Lip Boost. Yeah, you heard me correct. It's having a three shades in that, like there is something raspberry, something little vanilla or type of thing, and there is one bubblegum. This is the bubblegum. Yes, it's so nice. Like if you see that, it's like, ooh, it's so, it's very nice, travel friendly. You can use like a, yeah, it is smells like little sweet bubblegum, like boomer type. I'll, it's my childhood memory chewing gum actually. Wow, it's so nice. You can use this as a lip gloss also after applying a matte finishing or lipsticks. And this costed me around 240, but I haven't got in 240 because I made whole total product. Then I have applied coupon. Then I got it all around in 1080. So let me show you another product which is these days I am planning to invest little bit on the blush. I really liking the blush, trying experimenting on my face. So today I have been planned to buy some of the blushes, and this is one of the Inside Global blush, weightless skin loving formula. It's a Belgium eclair. The shade is a Belgium eclair. It's little brownish type. I never use brownish because for my skin type, I like peach, coral peach, or pinky pop peach, or peach in any variation of coral or pink peach type. But this is the first brown shade I have been bought it. So let me see if it is really nice or not, because this is so good. It's the applicator itself is so spongy, and I will apply here and I will show you. The packaging itself is a dabba, like very matte finishing, and ooh, wow, it's so nice. I really liked it. So nice and so moisture. It's not like chipku type. It is getting dry very nicely, and this costed me around 305 rupees. But as I said, with all total I got very less in 1080, so it means just understand, even it has not been went for 150 rupees also. Inside Global is a tinted foundation. It's a multifunctional serum foundation, 5 in 1 skin tint. My shade is in this cappuccino. Usually my shades go around natural, warm natural, or honey or sand. In many brands also I take it very blindly if it is a cappuccino, neutral, warm neutral, and honey. So because in Bobbi Brown my shade is a honey, and in L'Oreal, in Maybelline, it goes natural, like a neutral colors. And in tinted also it goes mostly cappuccino type, because in sugar the stick foundation I use cappuccino only, so that's the correct shade for me. Now it has been stopped, that cappuccino. So I thought, like, should I take this in Inside Globals and try it up? But let me tell you, it's so good. I will do a found this skin tint makeup vlog, one mini vlog definitely, and I'll post that how it is looking on my face. And this is so nice. It's like the MAC one which I have saw like in a pen type, it's like that. So let me clean this and show you how it is. So this is the foundation. I'll put some drops. Yeah, it is very easily coming. It exactly my shade. I know it's looking little brighter for you once it gets settled in your skin, and when you apply little compact powder or loose powder, it will get settled very nicely. And this shade is a correct shade for me. Very first time in my life, when I bought it without checking the shade, is this one, and really liked it, and very nice. And this product costed me around 390 on 319 on the package, but as I said, I got it in a very less price. So super eye catchy for me in the Inside Global. I mean Inside, why I'm saying Inside Global, it's a Inside brand. As I'm a staffing worker, so there is a client called Inside Global, so that's why I'm telling that name. Okay, it's okay. So this is the eyeliner. It's a Makeup Essential eyeliner, gel eyeliner. So why, yeah, I thought like gel eyeliner means it likes it comes backside if you twist it and it will come directly a gel. No, it's not that. Mistaken by myself. So there is little gel inside in this small tube. You have to get that, and this is the brush. Like, this is the brush. So the brush and the gel. Oh god, it's so tight. It's a gel. So you have to take a gel like this. Wow. And nice, I really liked it. So let me see how I can use this one, because it's a very easy friendly carrying, like a pen. You no need to carry dabba differently, and eyeliner brush differently. It comes in two in one. So this is costed around the price of um, 195. As I said, it's all total I got in 1080. It doesn't, it means that it's not even went for me 120, 130 rupees. So These are the inside products. Now I will talk about the Swiss Beauty products which I directly applied in Swiss Beauty website, and same there also I have got it everything discounted, and lots of coupons I have added, and I pay through UPI, so that is the reason I got it in very less prices. I can't believe I got it for 1050 for all those products. So let me show you those products. I got these three products of Swiss Beauty, which is costed me around 1500 or 1600 change. Then, with all coupons and discounted, I got this for around 1050. Let me show you one by one. The first one is this Swiss Beauty Clean and Glow makeup wipe removers. It costed, its actually price is 129, but I got it for around 80 rupees or 90 rupees, I think. And these are the very good wipes, friendly wipes, skin friendly, and it never made you hard on your skin. So I already used it, so I thought to take it again. The product which I got is a Prep Set Matte Makeup Fixer, which is 3 in 1 micro finishing spray. It's a makeup fixer. It is around the price of oh my god, I can't see the price here. Yeah, the price is 450, but I really liked it. One of my light has been shut down, so I have to manage with one light. So this is the one I got it around in 1050, all three of them. So this is very good makeup fixer. If you really need it in budget friendly below 500, Swiss Beauty is a very good makeup fixer where you can fix your makeup and it long lasts around almost 6 to 7 hours. I already tried this product, but it was finished for me, so that's why I got it again. I know many of my products in my vlog I have not revealed it, because I am going to reveal one by one this year what exactly the old products I have used, and I never did a vlogging. So the second one is this Select Like Me Up face palette. This is one of the luxurious, very good eyeshadow palette, and there are two shades in this. I got it Firefly, and look at that. I will show you the package. So good. Like, if you can see it, let me open from this side. Yes, I'm not showing BTS there, I'm just showing the palette to you guys. So here is the palette. I am recording through my phone. So it's a lot of shades. There is a mirror here, but they haven't given you the brush. So there are 12 shades, and these are very good. There is one more shade which I'll mention the name here. It's like little smoky type. I think I have a smoky type eyeshadow palettes a lot in Swiss Beauty, but this is something which is in divine colors, like something like a maroon and purplish, so I felt like to get it, and this price costed me around wow, huh. This is 1000 rupees, and you don't believe it, I haven't paid 1000 for this. For these three Swiss Beauty products I paid 1000. Just imagine, it means I got it in under 500 only, I think around 500. Guys, I'm telling you, sometimes you have to check the products in their own website where you can get in a very good rate some new invented products also. So this is the one of my bestest eye palette. I am going to use thoroughly this one. The next products which I have ordered in Tira, I just ordered in Tira one product, which two products which I really liked it. So the product is called Shell. If I'm not pronouncing wrong, is it a Shelglam? Yes, I think so. The product which I ordered in Tira is this product. This is called Sheglam. If I'm not pronouncing wrong, I'm so sorry. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm little weird to pronounce the things sometimes. So this is called like a Chroma Zone Multi Chrome highlighter. But you have no idea how I use highlighters. Sometimes I use highlighters like eyeshadow, shimmery eyeshadows. Right now my eyeshadow is this one. So I really like this packaging so much, and it's so good, and if you can see, it's so shimmery. And let me show you this. So it's not chunky. First in first out, it's not chunky, it's so smooth. It shines very nicely. So I really like this, and this costed me around 799, so I got in the offer around 500. So I really like this one. And the second one I got it is a Blush and Beam Tira's highlighter and as well as blush stick. This is also the price around 895, but I got it in around in between 500. So this stick is really so good. One is a highlighter, one is a blush, and this blush is the shade of Coral Crush. If you can see that, Coral Crush, as I said earlier, peach and coral colors are my suitable to my face. So this is the highlighter. You get the packaging like this, and you have to twist it up. This is a very good highlighter. Ooh, it's very smooth, very nice, no chunky, nothing. It's so like moisturizer. And the second is that this is also very good packaging. You need to cover it up, and this is coral. I really love this shade. It suits my skin very nicely. Let me show you that. See, it's so good. And this costed me around below 500 only. Actual price is 895. So these two products are from Tira. I haven't ordered much in Tira. I don't know why, like it's so delay for their orders. If you order, it will come after 15-20 days. I don't know why they have to work on their management, back-end management, to deliver the products. The next one I got it from Myntra, which is also a highlighter. It is a Milano. I like this packaging, that's why I got it, but I'm not sure how much it justify this highlighter, because I just like this cute packaging and I ordered it. It is costed me around uh, it is actual price is 400 something, and I got it for around 219 rupees, like 200 around. And this is peach shade 01. And the look at the packaging, it's so cute, it's so peach. I like peaches. So, and it is little hard to open, this dabba type, if you can see it. Very nice. It's like similar like Swiss Beauty palette is also same like this. So I really liked it. So it's so cute, and the shades are so nice. Very nice. I really liked it. Good. I can twist and turn this with highlighters, with blushes, and some with eyeshadows, and very good. To introduce something, a new product which I got it is this brand called Conscious Chemist. It's a drugstore chemist products, and it is a new invention for me in my vanity, because I never use these two products, but one of my friends suggested me it's really good and I really want to try it, and I have tried it. It's so nice. I really liked it, so that's the reason I have got one more package and make you introduce about this product. So definitely I am a person of toner, most toner essence a person more than a moisturizer. And the second is that a makeup remover. For me, the makeup remover should be a one time swipe. It's not should be a first cleansing, then double cleansing, then cleaning, washing your face, because my days are very hectic and I need in one swipe to clean it up. So I will use mostly cleansing oils which I can clear it up, and then use a wet wipe and it will good to go for apply moisturizer. I know it is not good, but still it's work out for my skin, so that's the reason I'm doing this. So let me talk about this product first. The first product I'm going to tell about, this Conscious Chemist 7 Ceramide Milk Toner, which is included with niacinamide, and it locks so much very nicely your skin before applying moisturizer. So it is little liquidy type, but I'm telling you, once it gets settled in your face, it's really good. It's very good. It's a protein milk toner. Milk toners are really good. I am Wonder, Tony Moly, and there is a Rice, I am Rice something. These are the brands I will mention here. They are very good milk toners if you really need a milk toners, and it's so good. I really liked it so much. So it's costed me around 399 rupees. As I bought it from Amazon, I got a coupon, I mean offer around for 350. So very good investment. If you really want to check out this product, these products are available in these apps, Myntra, Amazon, Nika, and directly you can go to the website and also order it. So you can check it out there. Where you get a very good offer, you can purchase there only. I'm not promoting any apps because I never got any PR until now. So the next product is a Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Cleanser. Centella Face Shop is my good to go oils, cleansing oils. I am madly in love with them. After that, any light oil which my face suits for me to remove all the dust and makeup. Oh my god, this product is really so good. Let me show you this one. And it's cost you around 500. In coupon you'll get around for 400 or 450. Sometimes it can get in 300 also. You have to check it out the sales. I'm telling you, so good to remove the makeup. I apply, remove with wet wipe, and again one more swipe of wet wipe. That's it. I am done to do my night skincare routine. More little blush I am trying to buy from Mars website, but I haven't got that shade, so I found that in Amazon. So this is called Mars Sugar Rush. It's a highly pigmented blush with the shade of peach pie. As I said, I am a coral and peach side person very much, and look at this packaging. I'm telling you, it's so good. It's costed me around actual prices. It's around 270 rupees. I got it for around 210 rupees, like in 200, and I'm really liking this one. So good. It's a peach color, and as I said earlier, peach is my, I have taken so much product. Don't take much product if you are doing a liquid blush. Take very little, then settle it in your hand, then take brush and apply it. So it's better in that way to apply the liquid blush. It will give you little understanding how to apply it. So this is a very good shade, and my skin tone, brown skin tone, is really good, and I'm really liking it, and it's costed me around 210 rupees. I'm very happy. Final part is a restocking of my products, which is from Pilgrim. Oh my god, Pilgrim is watching or not, I'm not sure. I'm a big fan of Pilgrim products. It's a very good Korean formulation products, I would say. And I've been using Pilgrim since 3 years onwards, since 2023, I think. Yes, I'm using that, and I'm really liking it. So I have ordered in Pilgrim the serums which I use in regular basis. I will let you know what exactly is that. So this is a brightening alpha arbutin serum, very nice serum. And this is the another serum is called skin clarifying serum. So this is a brightening serum, and this is a skin clarifying serum. So the brightening serum I use with routine of with like a wrinkle retinol cream. I will use with that. It's really settled my face very nicely, these two formulations. And the skin clarifying I use every day, daily basis routine, because I have scheduled my skin to make it Monday, Tuesday one type of skincare routine, to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is different type of skin routine. That I will definitely do if you really require that. So these are the two I got it. And I have got a free product, lots of free product this time in Pilgrim. I'm not, these are the order these two products, which is a skin clarifying and brightening serum, and I got it a blush free because I really want this blush, Rosy Delight brush, which is a liquid serum brush. Serum brush blushes are so good. I really heard about a good reviews on that. So look at that packaging. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And the shade of my is a raspberry crepe. So I got this for free, and this is a very good coral shade. If you can see that, I really liked it. Some free products which is came in this package, and as well as a tote bag, a small jute bag or something. This is, I have many in my wardrobes. So these are the products I got for free. Let me see, even I haven't seen it, I just opened the package. It's an advanced damage repair hair mask. I never use Pilgrim hair mask, but definitely I'll need to try these samples. It's advanced damage hair repair shampoo, travel packages. And this is like youthful glow moisturizer French red wine with SPF 50 with vitamin C. I think this is a new invention. I think I never seen this a big package, or I missed it. I don't know. But red wine related products are so good in Pilgrim. I am being using the retinol. If I'm not sure, it is my Vanity Day skincare routine. So the retinol red wine serum is so good. When you are apply a retinol, it's a very good serum, retinol moisturizer, done. So these are the products I got there, and I hope you like my vlog, and thank you so much for staying until long. So please check out the products directly from the websites Swiss Beauty and Inside. So even though Pilgrim, instead of going in some other different apps, I know there also you can get offers, but in their own website you get a lot of coupons where you can enjoy thoroughly and get in less prices many products like me. So thank you so much for checking out this vlog, and thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, do follow my Instagram, and this is Nazia signing off. Keep loving yourself and keep hydrated. Bye.